Hello, I'm Selina from 3rd year CSC. This is my 6th experiment of Web Technology Lab. In this there are 5 questions in which I have, in first question I have to show digital clock on the website, on my web page, and then in second question I have to change the background color randomly in every 30 seconds, and then for third question was in paragraph when let me show you. This is my website which I have made. Here is the digital clock, here is the background change, and here on mouse when I go over this text, the size increases. When I go out of this text, the size decreases. And this is my fourth question, moving of animated car, and stop. On start it starts moving, and stop it goes to its initial position. And the fifth one is to show the details of students. For this I have used array, and then to show the name of the students whose year of birth it is before 2000 and before and after 2000. So for that my code is for digital clock I have used in function where d is equals to new date. Date is the function for taking for fetching system state, and then get hours to fetch hours from the system, get minutes to fetch the minutes, get seconds to fetch the seconds, and using document.get element by id time.innerHTML I have showed the hours, minutes, and seconds. Time is the ID of ID of span tag, where this will be shown in the span tag. And I have called this function, and using set interval I have called display function in every 1000 milliseconds. It means 1 second. And for the background colors I have given in function bgcolor, I have given 3 variables using mat.floor, mat.random, star255. Using this I have called the different colors, and these colors are shown in the div tag. In div tag you can see what I wrote here, background color in changing. So the background color will change only if for this div tag, and here you can see background color is changing. This is my div tag. And my third question is for increasing and decreasing size. For that, first I have set the size for the paragraph id with para1. I have given here style 30 px. This is my default size, and on mouse over it is calling increase inc size, and on mouse out it is calling dec size for decreasing size. And in script I have defined the function, as you can see here, document.get element by id para1. This is the id name of my p tag, and dot style is equals to I have given here font size 40, and for dec I have given for font size 20. So you can see, you saw in my output, this changes on mouse over and mouse out. And my fourth is that animation. For that I have used init function to bring that car to the initial position. For initializing my image I have used init function. For that I have given the image what is there in my image id, that is my image id. In that my image src is car.jpg, that will be stored in this imgobj. And for that position and left I have given relative and 0px. As you can see this is in 0px from left side, and left padding is 0, and that's why here it is in the starting of the left, and position is relative. And then for move right, I have given img obj.style.left is equals to parse int, that is this one, like for first step, for first move right function, when it is called 0 plus 10 px means 10 px. So it will move to 10 and then it will move to 20, then 30, 40, like that. That animator object will move, and after that animate is equals to set timeout is the function which is calling move right in every 50 milliseconds. And to stop that animation, I have defined here stop function clear timeout animate. Clear timeout, it will clear the set timeout which I have defined previously. And then for my fifth question, I have created here var object name. This is my array of objects. This is my first object, then this is second, and then this is third. For each object I have defined name, registration number and year of birth, that here date of birth in years, and then name, registration number, date of birth in years for all three. And then to display them with the registration numbers, I have used that for loop where I am initializing I is equals to 0 and it should be less than object name dot name and increment, and it is displaying all the three names with the registration numbers. And then to define them with their to display them with their registration with their date of birth in years, which if it is after 2000 or before 2000, I have used for loop. And in condition I have given object name I dot dob in years, that is if it is greater than equals to 2000, so it is showing that. So this is my sixth experiment. Thank you for watching.